City Mayor Inday Sara Duterte had lunch with Senator Amy and former Senator Bongbong Marcos in Davao City Saturday to celebrate Mayor Duterte's 43rd birthday on Monday. Senator Marcos said she and her brother went to see the president's daughter, but there was no talk about politics. In a statement on Sunday, Mayor Duterte confirmed having lunch with the Marcoses. In an interview on Davao City Disaster Radio, Mayor Duterte recalled the Marcoses sent word that they wanted to greet her personally. Mayor Duterte said that expectedly, politicians will talk politics when they get together. But that's all she can say about that conversation. Lawmakers likened the video to a courtship as supporters courted Mayor Duterte to run for president next year. House Majority Leader Martin Romualdez was in Davao Monday morning to greet her happy birthday.
Ikaw na Vice President.
Bakit di ako dyan? Kung mas malala
Kasi gusto nila amendahan yung Constitution. Nung sumabog yun, nagkandaleche-leche na naging skandalo dahil ginamitan nila ng pera pambayad ang mga tao para pumirma, lumipat sila sa impeachment. Tapos sumabog yun kasi binayaran naman nila ang mga congressman para pumirma ng impeachment. Ang susunod ay meron na namang members ng Congress ngayon, both houses, House of Representatives and sa Senate na nagsasabi na kailangan naman amendahan ang Constitution. Lahat yan ginagawa nila para tanggalin ako sa 2028, sa posibleng kandidato sa 2028 presidential elections. So, hindi na kami magtataka kung merong magpa-file 2026, 2027, 2028 ng impeachment. Ang mahalaga is nakahanda yung mga abogado para sagutin yung mga mga allegations nila. Na hanggang ngayon, by the way, walang attachments ng evidence, ng pieces of evidence at all. Iningi namin ang mga sinubmit ng House of Representatives na ebidensya doon na sumusuporta doon sa articles of impeachment nila. Wala. Hiningi namin ang attachment sa ebidensya nila, sa complaint nila sa ombudsman. Wala. Ang ginagawa lang nila ngayon, dahil hindi makaarangkada yung kanilang gusto na tanggalin ako as a candidate for 2028, ay doon na lang sila sa second na benefit kung ano yung ginagawa nila. Nagsisira na lang sila ng pangalan.